miss, and another big rebound by the big fellow. What a strong move by number 10. Attacking the defense, missing that shot, but he gets a foul. That's the first personal foul of Borja and the second team foul of Suat. Sevillano checking back into the ball game for Tugas. Smaller lineup, but a sweeper one. Dolari is on the line to shoot a pair. First throw is good. Tying the ball game for the first time. 87 all after a long while. They are now even at 27 all. That's the go-ahead basket by 28-27. Atacador. Borja asking for a pick. Borja driving hard, kick the ball out. What a nice drive by number 6, Dumanay. Oh, that's Hugilon, brother, for 2. And the Siso battle is on. The lead goes back to Sual. What a strong move to the basket once again. What a great recognition by Grado, finding the open lane, finding Dulay, cutting down the middle. That's another foul given up by number 6. That's his first and the third foul of team foul of SWAT. Another challenge for Dulay to extend their lead. They're up by 30-29 with this bonus free throw. It could extend the lead of Manaoag to 2 points. And he does. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Atacador bring the ball down court. Here comes Borja with Atacador posting down low, spinning a triple team. But Rado leading for his case. Oh, it's all gone. Face Grado. That's the first on Grado. Third team foul of Manaoag. Atacador is spinning, losing the handle. Here comes Mamaril. Smartly waiting for Sansano from the outside. Sansano unmolested. Lines up a three. That's a big one. Sansano, 3 points. And Sual, sensing trouble, pulls the button. Timeout, Sual. With 6 minutes, 18 seconds to go here in the second quarter, we find Manaoag leading by 5. 34-29. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. He attacks. He was blocked by the big Excellent defense by Swan, courtesy of Julius. Nice bounce pass to lie underneath once again. Rado finding open man down low. Siliago po ng pagkakita. Posting that. Foul taken by number 22. That's already the second personal foul of Rado. And the 14th foul of Manawa. Sinking the first, sinking both, and one more free throw left because he is fouled from beyond the arc. 3 out of 8. Was a free throw shot by Sevillano. Mamaril. Ulap. Oh boy! That big man. By the smallest guy on the floor, punctured the hoop with a jumper from 15 foot and is good. Borja working against Mamaril. Lab pass to Dugas. No, but there was a contact prior to that shot on number 16. That's only the first personal foul of Cesar. Penalty. Laka is into the ball game once again. That's an air ball. Cesar is in for the first time. 4:39 left to play here in the second quarter. Mamaril trading the play. Extra gates. Pull up. Not that time. The rebounding by Sison. It was intimidated by the defense of Lucas that time. And here comes Sevillano attacking. High moving shot. No! And that was a big rebound by the big fellow Santano. Santano post to post drive. Blocked by. Attacking the defense of Lucas. Not in my house, says Lucas. I find a door, pull up using the glass with that semi-hook shot, 2 points. And we are tied once again. This is already the second deadlock of this ball game. Cesar in and out. The ball is moved up by Sevillano. Borja, head and shoulder fake, finding Atacador from the corner, again below. That's the shooter's bounce and the lead goes back to Swan. Regains the upper hand. 40-38. Mamaril firing from deep. Now, Laka, sky high. Kick the ball out. Here comes Sanzano at the top of the key. Too strong off the rim. Here comes Mora. Attacks. Now, Atacador. No. No lights, but there was a prior to that. That's the second personal foul of Bunso.